Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. In this video, we are going to talk about a person hack that you need to know. So let's start with this question. What is 29% of 50? What a nice SAT question. Now we are going to discuss all possible solutions of this question. So let's start with the first solution. In the first solution, we are going to use the school way. But before that, let me ask you, what does percent mean, right? Percent. Can you tell me what does percent mean? Percent. Per, which means over. Cent, which means 100. So percent means over 100. 1% means 1 over 100. 29% means 1 over 29 over 100. So 29% of 50. It's gonna be 29 over 100. What does of mean? Here, of means times. 29 over 100 times 50. A very simple expression. 29 times 50 over 100. Now, this zero cancel off. 5 over 5 equals 1. 10 over 5 equals 2. 29 over 2 equals 14.5. And this is the answer. Option A, no. Option B, no. And option C is our answer. This is the first solution. But for the second solution, now we are going to talk about a math hack. In the percentage, we can swap the positions of these two numbers. So 29% of 50. Second solution, 29% of 50 is same as 50% of 29. But what is 50%? As you know, 50% is same as half or 1 over 2. So it's gonna be 1 over 2 times 29. What does it mean? You need less than 1 second to answer this question. 29 divided by 2 or 14.5. Option A, no. Option B, no. And option C is the answer. So from today, when you see this type of question, no need to use the school way. You need less than 1 second to answer this type of question. Now let me ask you a question. What is 50% of 50? Right, 50 divided by 2, 25. What is 72% of 50? All right, 72 divided by 2, 36. Now, what is 98% of 50? Good job. 98 divided by 2 equals 49. Right, less than 1 second. And the last solution. For the last solution, 29% of 50. Write the 0 here. 5 times 9 equals 45. Write the 4 here. 5 times 2 equals 10 plus 4, 14. We have a percentage here, so put the point after 2 digits. 1, 2 here. It's going to be 14.5. And the answer is going to be option C. This is all possible solution that I know. If you know any different solution, let me know. Bye.